Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing here the top 5 reasons why we should read Inner Engineering. And I think you all guys know it has been written by Sadhguru. Okay. So in this book what he actually tells more and more, it's all about body and mind. So definitely he is trying to explain everything that what our body and mind is capable of. Okay. So you will know better about our body and mind. So that's why we need to read that book. Second, it gives you a new perspective about your life and other people's life and also about the world. Okay, that how we need to perceive this world and how we need to live in this world. Okay, it most tell you that we, even though we know that we don't need to focus either in the future or in the past, but whenever you read this book you feel more that why it is so important to be in a present moment like that. So definitely it helps you. Apart from that, it also tells you a lot about the yoga, the importance of yoga. Okay, why it is so important of yoga in our daily life, and how we can achieve that level. Okay, most of the time we relate our yoga all the time to exercise, that we have to go to gym all the time if we want to become a kind of a mastery in our body in terms of yoga. No, it is all up to you. There are three things that Sadhguru has discussed. The first, that is we have to work on our mind. Second, it's our the body strength. Okay, and then spirituality. So in terms of body strength, it all comes under the yoga, like there is strength, there is flexibility and other more things. Now here are the four things. Sadhguru talks about how to achieve anything in your life. Okay, no matter whatever it is, you can achieve if you want. So how to reach at that level. So that's why I think it's so important to read that book. At the last, how to live happy, how to live happy life in this world. Okay, we all want to be happy, but we don't know that how to be happy. Sometimes we just relate our happiness to the other people, to the thing, and there are so many other things that we relate our happiness. They teach you that happiness is something that comes inside you, that comes within from you. Okay, so whenever you read this book, you will get more and more idea about that happiness, your body, mind, and believe me guys, it is not only for a kind of a person who want to become a monk, but it is for a person who want to use their body, mind 100%, right? How we can be more and more efficient. So it will be helping you totally, that how you can be more efficient in this era, and that we all want, to use our brain, body, mind, everything at 100% level, so we can achieve whatever we want. So guys, this is all from this particular book, and I have tried to put here as more as points from my side, and I've tried to make it more and more important for you guys. Now if you really love this video and if it is really helpful for you, okay, it creates needs inside you to read that book. So just go and comment below if you want me to make any other video on any topic, no matter it's a relationship, it's a books, or it can be anything. I will try to put my best, I will try to research, and then I will be putting here some few more points that could be very very helpful for you, and that will be very very beneficial, and that I can only know if you will let me know. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.